Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Bubble in Ability Wars. Start by choosing a kit with Bubble synergy, then practice activation timing in low-stakes matches. Focus on positioning near teammates and cover and learn common enemy burst windows. Communicate with your team so they enter the bubble purposefully. Review recharges and cooldowns after each round to refine decision-making and increase your success rate over time. Target kits that reduce ability cooldowns or extend bubble size for more forgiving play. Pair those kits with perks that increase health or reduce incoming damage to make bubbles more effective. In team matches, coordinate who will activate and who will follow for maximum efficiency. Practice switching targets and repositioning while the bubble is active so teammates can capitalize on the brief safety window and shift momentum in fights. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They keep sauces contained so you can focus on game time snacks without spills. They fit neatly in backpacks and save time between matches, which is perfect for focused practice sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Learn enemy patterns so you can activate right before a heavy damage window or ultimate arrives to nullify key threats. Position bubbles toward choke points, objectives, or escape routes to funnel allies safely and block enemy pushes. Stay close enough to cover, but not so close that the bubble is worthless, and always watch flanks for defenders trying to bait the bubble early. Practice these habits in casual matches for muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.